Everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I am going to show you the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and cross my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. As you can see now, today is the XRP holders day. As you can see here, the change is positive 3.52%, and now the high price of XRP Ripple coin is 0.510037 is the dollar is the high price of XRP Ripple coin of last 1 hour. That is the result of last 1 hour you are watching now. So as you can see here, the current price of XRP Ripple coin is dollar 0.509682, and the Bitcoin price of XRP Ripple coin is 0.00001. As you can see here, the technical analysis and the signals of the XRP Ripple coin are very good going up. As you can see here, they are going up. So that is the buying time of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, that is the buying time of XRP Ripple coin. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Let's see the live price prediction of last 2 hour. Let's check it out. The last result of 2 hour, as you can see on the screen. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. And that is the live price prediction of the last 2 hour of XRP Ripple coin. The change is positive 3.14%, and the high price of last 2 hour of XRP Ripple coin is dollar 0.510037. And as you can see on the chart, the Ripple coin is going up, as you can see here. So that is the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin of last 2 hour. Kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.